Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our block number 2, that is nutrition in animals. The LP1 is steps of nutrition. As we studied in our block number 1, that was nutrition in plants, the meaning of nutrition. Also, we studied about the different kinds of nutrients. The different kinds of nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Different nutrients have different functions also. Carbohydrates and fats provide us energy. Proteins, vitamins, and minerals, they are required for proper growth of the body. Right? So, what is nutrition? The process of obtaining these nutrients, these all nutrients, and utilizing them. Utilizing them means use them. For किस लिए? Various life purposes, okay, is called nutrition. This was the definition of nutrition. The process of obtaining these nutrients and utilizing them for various life purposes is called nutrition. Okay, so today's aim is we will going to start the various steps of nutrition and sequence them in the correct order. How to sequence in the correct order? We will study that nutrition steps. These are the nutrition steps in the proper order. The first is ingestion. In means inside, right? Ingestion, digestion, then absorption, after that assimilation, last one is egestion. Okay, now we will study according to the different sequence. The first step in this sequence is ingestion. Okay, and what is ingestion? Ingestion, in means inside our body, and what will go inside our body? Food that we will take. Okay, that is called ingestion. The first step of nutrition involves the taking of food inside the body, maybe in animals, maybe in plants, maybe in human beings, but this is the chapter about nutrition in animals, that's why I write here by animals. Okay, the first step is that involves the taking of food inside the body. This is called ingestion. This is the first step, ingestion. Step number 2, the food is composed of, it means food is made up of several complex substances. So the next step involves breaking complex food down into simpler substances. We always eat complex substance. As you know, if we are going to eat the chapati is a complex substance. Okay, that is a complex food. We break one bite of that chapati, then we will put it into our mouth, then we will bite it. Okay, then we will chew it. When we will grind it properly inside our mouth, that converts into simpler substance. Okay, that complex bite converts into simpler substance after chewing it. This is called digestion, right? The food is composed. कैसे बना है वो food? That is made up of complex substances, and then when that complex substance is breaking into simpler substance, this is called digestion. Okay, बच्चे? Next is step number 3, and that is absorption. What is absorbed inside the body now? The third step involves the transport of digested food to each cell of the body. We digest the food, we eat food, okay? Then after it goes inside our body through the food pipe, and that digested food goes to each cell of our body, okay? That will go to each cell, and this is called absorption. Okay, step number 4. Each cell of the body uses the absorbed food to produce energy and build important substances for growth and repair. When food was absorbed by the cell, which converts into, then it produces energy and build important substances for our growth and for the repair of our body. This is called assimilation. Okay, the step number 5. The food which is not utilized by the body. The food that is not utilized, that was not used by the body, is eliminated, gets out of the body, excrete from the body by the process of egestion. Okay, bache? This was the egestion. These are the steps of nutrition, and these steps are interconnected. Each step has influence over the working of the other steps. That's why we studied today about the sequence of the nutrition. Okay, thank you.